The DAE is an after-school and summer program for kids and teens focused on creative technology.
The digital arts experience is...
The DAE is a place where people can come to learn new things.
The digital arts experience is a place where
kids and teens can come and see if what they're really interested in is something that they want to pursue as a career.
But more than that, it's a place where like-minded individuals can
go to create stuff,
learn together,
geek out together,
come together,
have fun together,
and work on something really cool.
My name is Rob Kistner, and I'm the founder and president of the Digital Arts Experience.
My name is Nick. I'm the director of operations at the Digital Arts Experience.
I'm Emily. I'm the marketing director at the DAE.
I'm Lori. I've been part of the DAE team for a little bit over 5 years.
I first found the DAE back in 2012.
The original conception of the Digital Arts Experience. Why is there no place where kids at a young age can go and work with really cool professional technology with kids
who are just as excited about technology and what you can do with it as you are?
I always loved to draw.
I was brought on as an animation instructor.
I graduated from college and I started working as a recording engineer.
When I met Rob, he and I just immediately clicked over the fact that we're both audio engineers.
For my first interview, I remember being really nervous, but Rob and Nick really made me feel welcome.
The thing that really makes us stand out is our team.
Every one of us totally believes in having this place.
A really fun, creative environment.
I love my job and what I do.
In addition to this being my job, it's also been my safe haven.
It's not our classes, it's not our technology, but it's our people.
I love my coworkers.
I love nerding out with my coworkers so much.
I really appreciate, the fact that at the end of the day, we can all laugh together.
My team is so unbelievably cool.
They are so funny, so smart.
They're really quirky, they're amazing to be around, and I'm constantly learning from them.
It's just a joy to be around people who are just as silly.
It's a really incredible, tight-knit family of people that believe in the mission.
You are not judged for who you are. In fact, you're encouraged to be exactly who you are.
It's awesome being around people that you can learn from.
If I had to sum up the digital arts experience in 3 words:
colorful,
challenging,
creative,
passionate,
energetic,
nerdy,
necessary,
steadfast,
exceptionally fun,
and inspiring.